All right, guys, the UPS just delivered it. Great shipping time from Banana Hobby. Just ordered this last Friday evening around 5 p.m. Eastern Time and got a shipping notification, I believe, on Monday. And it was shipped out and got here from California into my state of Pennsylvania and delivered today in my town at about 12:30 Eastern Time on Friday, so about a week later. Excellent shipping time. This is the F-117. Here's the box. Pretty long. Looks pretty secure. Here's the notification from Banana Hobby if you have any damage, what to do, missing or wrong items, returns, and the warranty and stuff like that. So that's important stuff. I'm going to turn off the camera here for a second and slowly cut into the box here to see what's inside. All right, I took just about 10 seconds to slice open the end of the box, being very careful not to puncture the merchandising box inside. I'm going to go ahead and slide this puppy all the way out of just this one end. So bear with me here and with the camera. I'm going to see if I can get both hands on it. Sorry for the camera view, I should have a tripod. All right, sliding this puppy all the way out, little by little. Cut away for a second because I don't have a tripod with me right here. I should have used one, but got it out of the box, which of course is empty, all but a little slip of paper inside, which is probably my order receipt. Oh, here's a notice again. Your warranty information, damage, missing items, what to do. That's just a label. Here's a disclaimer, everything like that. So that's all good there. And here is the box. F-117. Wingspan, of course, this is in millimeters, 800. Overall length is 1175. There's your flying weight, your drive system. It's EDF, outrunner motor, brushless, 70 millimeter. Your servos, speed control, your battery, and your system. This is 6-channel. And I'm going to turn this on its edge as we have some tape along here. I'm going to slice that open very slowly, carefully. All right, and also some on the opposite edge. That way I can just slide this off and you can see what is in the box. Okie dokie. There we go. So pardon me again, I'm gonna have to put my camera down here for a second and lift the top off. All right, the lid is now off. Here's what everything looks like. Everything is packaged pretty securely and nicely. I don't see any damage from the exterior here of the foam. Looks pretty secure. Here we have our instruction manual. All right, got that. Here we have there are the bombs. Looks like we have our fins for the back right there. All right. There they are. Everything is taped down, which is good. All right. Little binding instruction sheet. Main airframe is right here. Gonna pop open this little section here. This is the battery. Rechargeable LiPo battery. Right, got that. And then your transmitter here, 6-channel, 2.4 gigahertz. Not bad. Excellent. And I'm going to take off the tape here and some of these little struts here of styrofoam and remove the main airframe of the F-117, and we can check it out. Alright, over in this corner, some more pieces. There are our cables and our charger for our battery pack. And here is the main airframe. Once again, sorry for the bad camera angles here. I probably should have had a tripod pointing down. Now lift this all the way up. Slowly turn it over. All right. Looks very nice. I'm gonna slide it out of the plastic here so we can take a better look. Main fuselage of the F-117 Stealth. Looks pretty good. Nice detail as well. And this foam is really nice. I mean, you can't even tell it's foam from, you know, several inches to a foot back. You can't tell. That's how nice it is. Sorry for the lighting here as well. There's the Captain Mark Lindstrom. Cool. Here is the underbelly. There's your servo. So it looks to be in really good shape. I don't see any damage at all. This has retracts for the landing gear, and then 2 bomb bays, one right here and one down here. Servo connecting that. Your retracts for the landing gear down here. Nose. Excellent. Very nice. Nice profile. Looks great. And I'm going to pull out the last piece. Alright, after carefully taking the wing sections out of its packaging, I have them kind of sitting on top here of how they would go in so you can get an idea. The only thing I did notice, which is not an issue at all to me, is they actually have the decal. You see right here on top. On this wing here, the decal is on the bottom, which is probably just a manufacturing mistake there, but it's not much of an issue. There are no other decals on the bottom, so I'm assuming it should have went on the top of this wing right here. When I first saw it, I thought I had 2 of the same side wings, but of course it's just a decal on the wrong side. Not a problem. I'm not too worried about the decals. Everything is in great shape. I have all the parts I need. Everything came with it. Just a matter of getting things together and set up and getting her in the air. So I'll be doing more videos on this particular project here and getting her up in the air for you guys coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Sorry for the camera work. This is Eddie Ray. Just a customer of Banana Hobby. Banana Hobby is a great shop. Check them out, bananahobby.com. I'm Eddie Ray, and this has been a little video of the F-117 Stealth Fighter, 70mm EDF, ready to fly, 2.4. All right, see you guys later.